Amber Engine's Next-Gen PIM makes it easy for your teams to quickly manipulate and make changes to product data at scale. So what we're going to do today is taking our wholesale cost and we're going to multiply it by the margin that we use in order to get our tier 1 price. But we don't have that tier 1 price in the system yet. Well, luckily, Amber Engine makes it super easy to create new attributes on the fly. So I'm going to call this my tier 1 price. We're able to change what the data type is, so we know that it's going to be a number. We want the unit to be in US dollars. We want 2 decimal places. And so now the system's going to create the new tier 1 attribute right here next to our wholesale. And so the question becomes, how do we populate this information in bulk without having to work outside of PIM? Well, we assume that your teams are probably somewhat familiar with Excel, and so why make them learn something new? We can go right into here with our tier 1 price, edit the values, and using the Excel formulas that everyone's already somewhat familiar with, I'm able to take my wholesale cost and build in my margin. So let's say that my tier 1 price is always a multiple of my wholesale cost times 1.25. We test the formula, we hit update, and now we see all of these values being posted directly in the column that we wanted. Rather than having to work on product data outside of the PIM, cross-functional teams can centralize and update product information in Amber Engine, making changes to groups of products using complex or simple formulas.